Hi children, welcome to Annie's Learniverse tutorial.
The Hungry Caterpillar. Once upon a time, in a lush green garden filled with colorful flowers and tall, swaying trees, a tiny egg lay on a leaf. One warm, sunny morning, the egg hatched, and out came a very hungry caterpillar. The tiny caterpillar looked around, feeling the pangs of hunger. It decided to find something to eat. On Monday, it munched through one juicy red apple, but it was still hungry. On Tuesday, it nibbled through two sweet pears, but it was still hungry. On Wednesday, it crunched through three plump plums, but it was still hungry. On Thursday, it devoured four ripe strawberries, but it was still hungry. On Friday, it gobbled up five tangy oranges, but it was still hungry. On Saturday, the caterpillar decided to have a feast. It ate a piece of chocolate cake, an ice cream cone, a pickle, a slice of Swiss cheese, a slice of salami, a lollipop, a piece of cherry pie, a sausage, a cupcake, and a slice of watermelon. That night, the caterpillar had a terrible stomachache. The next day was Sunday again. The caterpillar ate through one nice green leaf and felt much better. Now, it wasn't hungry anymore. And it wasn't a little caterpillar anymore either. It had grown big and fat. The caterpillar built a small house called a cocoon around itself. It stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then it nibbled a hole in the cocoon, pushed its way out, and it was a beautiful butterfly. Its wings were dazzling with bright colors and intricate patterns. The butterfly fluttered joyfully around the garden, visiting all the flowers and spreading happiness. And so, the once hungry caterpillar learned the beauty of transformation and the joy of becoming something new and wonderful. From that day on, it flew freely, reminding everyone of the magic that change can bring.